Hey, what's up, team? Eddie Gray here. Today we're taking a look at Sonic Atlas. This is a world music sampler. If you are at home with Outputs Arcade, then you'll definitely know what this is about. So let's go ahead and just jump right in. To the right, we've got all the various sample packs. And if you click on the play button here or on stage, this will take you into the world of Sonic Atlas. So I'm going to go ahead and just play a beat. This is not from Atlas, just to give me some rhythm here. All right, so as you can hear, lots going on there. It's quite a playground. You've got various loops playing, various samples playing. You can trigger them on and off. I was using a sustain pedal to keep the bass line and the arpeggio, playing over time. And then the rest of it, I was just triggering it here. Even if you're not somebody that writes, let's say, world music, there's definitely a lot here that you can work with. Again, if you've used Arcade, you know the layout, right? You've got your various macros in the middle. You can change the speed, you can change the key, things of that nature. One thing I will tell you is this company has the highest standard for quality. So everything you're listening to is done with like top-notch musicians, top-notch producers. And so I do have to give them that. Like, those drums sound absolutely insane. Let's play all three of those at the same time. So you can kind of really get out of the box that they've created. You can also use the black sharp and flat keys on your piano to, flip it, for example. So yeah, lots of fun to be had for sure. The layout is perfect. The sound is absolutely tremendous. So I'm playing with the demo pack as of right now, but they've got a lot of stuff here, okay? And I'm sure more is on the way. So let's go ahead and take a listen to... Okay, so lots of magical moments there that you can gather from. It's a great source of inspiration. There's absolutely no question, and I haven't even begun to really get into it. Let's say we were trying to change something. For example, like within the demo pack, right? I was playing with this first one here, and there's an acoustic sample. Yeah, I'm sorry, the sitar. And so if I wanted to, I can go into the edit tab, and then rather than waiting here, I could just start the sample right from the get-go. You can also play things in reverse. That could be a great intro for a song, but I don't have to just settle with what is given to me at the table. I can kind of start playing, doing things like adding more reverb, as you can see here, via a bus or maybe a little bit of delay. So for example, I could just play this lick. So So I think the immediate impression is probably like, hey, it sounds fantastic. When am I ever going to use something like this? Well, if we go to this sample pack, obviously this is going to be for more modern music. You see all the drum machines and what have you. So let's just take a quick listen to this one here. Phenomenal, phenomenal, phenomenal. Uh, First thoughts, I love it. It's fantastic. What else should be expected from Pitch Innovations? I mean, they've put out absolutely revolutionary products the last couple of years, and I really think that they have found quite a niche market, and they have basically become an authority over uh, that sector of the market. So I love this company. I'm pretty much going to support everything that they do. Standard is always high. Sounds are always tremendous. And so I'm definitely all about it. I think I've showed you all the packs except this one here. Let's just do one more. I mean, as you can see, they've got song starters here. They have a bunch of melodic stuff as well. Having lots of fun with this, really enjoying it. If you want to support a stellar company such as Sonic Atlas, go ahead and reach out to them. Don't get paid for this, but I do love their products and I will promote brands that I believe in. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hit the thumbs up and I'll see you guys later. Bye. Take care.